Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a bit of a special unboxing. It's a bit of a delayed one, I have to say. Basically, it's a Secret Santa unboxing. I know it sounds weird and I know it sounds late, but with all that's been going on with coronavirus and the post office and everything being a bit slower this winter, slower than usual. It's a delayed unboxing, but still we're doing it. So to explain what's going on, myself and a few other YouTubers, which I shall name immediately, did this whole Secret Santa thing. So basically the rules were very simple. Up to £50, a watch could be secondhand, brand new, quartz or mechanical, anything, nothing too crazy like Daniel Wellington's and all that stuff. That was an unwritten rule, by the way. So we could send a watch to each other and just kind of do this live unboxing. And the YouTubers that are in the game was obviously myself, Jason the Watch Guy from Jason the Watch Guy, Oscar from I Bought a Watch, James from Honest Reviews, DK from the Watchtower, and also Time and Talk and Time in the UK. I'll link all the channels in the description box below. So basically, this is my watch. This is my unboxing, my Secret Santa unboxing, and I've got this a few days ago. I didn't open it because I just wanted to do a live so you get a live reaction. But honestly, I don't know what's in this, and I don't know actually who sent it to me. But I just want to do that with you guys. So I don't have any special fancy knives as the other ones do. But let's get into this weird golf ball? No, rugby ball packaging. Now, a lot of bubble wrap, which obviously we all know how how important bubble wrap is, and I'm going to use that. Ooh, I kind of have an idea what that is. It's a Timex. Come on, come on, come on. This is so cool because we don't know what to expect. And we don't know what the other one is going to buy, but it's a Timex. So it's a Timex, so let me see. Put that away. A lot of bubble wrap, well done. Now, put that away. Woo, moving the camera and everything. All right, all right. What kind of Timex is it? It's a giant Timex, that's what it is. It's a giant Timex. Let me take that out. Oh my God. Let me just cut that. Oh my God. Wow. So this is the 763-8664 according to the label here. Let me just get closer to that. Sorry for hitting the camera. And wow, this is pretty interesting. I've never had a watch so big. Like I have to say, let me just take it out of the a lot of zip ties by the way. Timex sure likes their zip ties. Let me put these all away. Wow, this looks like, I think it's coated, the case. So I just have to wear this now, by the way, which is pretty cool. I like it. I like the face. It's pretty legible. Day and date, water resistant Timex. It doesn't have the Indiglo function, as we're all used to from Timex. And yeah, let me get my calipers and see how big this thing is. I would say it's around 43. Now let me see. It's actually bigger. It's 44.2. I don't know, I'm not familiar with the model. I know Timex do a lot of watches, but I am not familiar with this model. But this is actually pretty cool. Let me put this on the wrist. The strap looks actually pretty nice. One thing that Timex does really well, I have to say from previous experience, is straps. So the previous, like I had a Expedition Scout before, I think, and the strap was actually really good at it. And for a watch, it didn't cost that much. Let me try it on, guys. Now, hold on, I'm just going to take my hand out of the camera for a second there. And like I said, the strap is actually very nice. And there you go. Contrary to popular belief, it's not actually that big. 44, it wears actually pretty small and pretty nice. There you go, guys. Now I'm going to have to review this and wear this for a week. That was actually one of the rules, but I like it. It's interesting, and it wouldn't be something that I would have bought, but I actually like it. It's pretty cool. I doubt there's any loom or anything on those indices or on the hands, or even if there is, but guess I'm gonna have to find out. Stick around, guys, if you want to find out as well. It's actually pretty cool. It's super interesting, and I have to say I'm loving the strap first impressions. It's actually pretty cool. Thank you very much, whoever actually sent this to me. Something that I was never, ever expecting. Well done. It was a pleasant surprise, and yeah. Stick around, guys, if you want to see the review, the full review coming up soon. So let me throw that zip tie away, and thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you for sticking around for this quick Secret Santa unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.